Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my weekend reset. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. First things first, I'm doing laundry. Normally I would do this on Sunday, but I have things to do, which I'll talk about later in this video. But yes, we gotta get the laundry done. I started with my sheets first so I could tackle that. And this is like 8 p.m. by the way, so it's actually really late. I don't suggest washing your sheets at night. Anyway, so that was done. Now I am just unboxing finally. Well, using, I should say, because I showed it in a TV video. It's called a magic brush. Pretty much you could use it for sinks and tubs and stuff like that. I got it specific for sinks. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is how to store it. It does come with all these different stuff. That's the polisher. It comes with this thing, you stick it and put it in the wall, but I'm trying to figure out exactly where I want to put it in my wall, and that's why I haven't stuck it to my wall just yet. And then that's of course the brush to clean it. Now I just always change out my washcloth, so I was doing that. I was taking that out, and before I spray my bathroom anyway, I always take out my things that I use on my skin out of my shower. Now I'm opening up a new pack of Love Clorox always to spray the towel and everything, and I sprayed my toilet seat as well, but I think the camera's off or something, so I didn't get that. But I use Clorox for everything, obviously. And then I'm going with my scrubbing bubbles and cleaning that up as well. And then I'm going with my brush. Now, at some point, I think I'm going to get a new one soon. But I'll link this on Amazon for all my girlies who do not want to break their back. This is the go-to because it extends and I do not have to worry about bending down to clean the bathroom because that hurts my back. Now I'm just cleaning my toilet bowl, and as well as my toilet. Like I said, I sprayed it with Clorox as well. And then I'm just gonna clean that. And I'm just using my microfiber cloth. We don't use the same things for anything. I don't know, the people who be using it, I've seen that use the same thing for everything that they wash. I can't, no. I use a different thing for everything. Now I'm using a spreading brush. It was pretty cool, but honestly, I don't know, like, it works and effective, but I guess because my sink is so tiny, it's only like 0.5 seconds. Anyway, I'm using a Swiffer mop to clean my floor, and then I am just going to clean my mirror with some of the mirror. Now I'm using this Pro Enamel thing by Sensodyne. I got it for free. I know you guys see my other toothpaste over there, but my toothpaste holder, which I'll link, is actually effective, but I started using this toothpaste and I was like, let me just finish it because it was almost done anyway because I had to review. And then this is the rinse that they gave me to use since my tooth extraction, so I have to use that every morning and night. So I was going ahead. This is the first night I flossed. I'm gonna keep it 100 because I was scared to floss. This is time lapse, but yeah, to brush my teeth, I'd be like so slow with it. I'm like really delicate. Anyway, so this is what I use at night. My Dr. Teal's lotion, toner. This is my serum and my under eye serum. That was 10:18, y'all. And now I'm gonna do my regular laundry, which is all my clothes. And this was after everything because I showered in as well. Quickly, so first things first. Hold on, let me try to put this lip on. Oh my gosh, the struggle since I've gotten my tooth extraction. It's like sometimes I can open my mouth, if it makes sense, and then sometimes I can't. But the worst is I feel like eating on one side. But secondly, this is the hard part. You see how I'm placing this? You guys can't see it. Maybe I'll zoom in. I can barely. So now I can do a little better. But it still bothers me. Like to close my mouth. You know how you rub your lips together? I could do a little better today, but the last 3 days, like, it wasn't happening. My lips was not, like, it wouldn't mesh together. Right now, it still bothers me though to do it. But yeah, today is what, Saturday night, so it's been Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's been 4 days since I last did a vlog, honestly, because yeah. So I decided to do a Sunday reset, like, out of the whim. Well, it's really gonna be a weekend reset because Saturday night I was like, you know what, it was like 8 something. I'm like, let me just tackle everything now. That way tomorrow, because I'm gonna go outside, I'm probably gonna be outside for majority of tomorrow. I'm trying to go back outside. It's been like really like sucky to be home, I'm gonna be honest. And my vacation is gonna be over soon, so I'm like, I do not want to spend the rest of August in my house bored. I'm just watching shows. Not that I don't like watching shows and I don't want like being home, but being home like 2 weeks straight, and not going out. I went out, but very like briefly. I went out Tuesday, and then when I came back from vacation, I went out on Sunday, but I never filmed video footage for you guys. Maybe I'll add it here because I think I still have it on my phone of when I went to the K Culture Day, because I think I still have the footage. Maybe I'll just add a little clip it for you guys to watch.
We need to make sure the skin is very much moisture. So, Dr. John, the skin liner, the toner, is always the first step on the face. Eye cream, this you all can find from Sephora, okay? And then, you're gonna use the moisture cream.
Are you online? Oh no, please make sure. Yeah.
That's what we'll talk about. So I got these new pillows. So now I have a total of 4 pillows. I saved the last 2 old pillows because what happens is sometimes, let's be honest, I'm the oldest sibling, but sometimes my siblings like to come into my room, either to hang out in my room or sometimes even sleep in my room. And what happens is I can't sleep without 2 pillows. I don't know when it started, but it's been years now. Like, I'm uncomfortable if I don't sleep with 2 pillows. So instead of throwing out the last 2, because what happened is the other pillow, like this pillow for example, you guys can't probably tell, but it's a little lopsided. This was a Nautica pillow. I would find that Nautica, their pillows are like not the best, at least this brand, this type of pillow. I don't remember the exact name, but then we normally use Ralph Lauren, so I was back and forth on Macy's. Macy's had a sale, long story short, I mean, and that day there was free shipping. I happened to just go in there. I said, let me look for new pillows because it was annoying me. The pillow was just so flat too. And then I found these. I will link them down in the description because I actually like them. This is only like the first, it's not even the full night because I just changed them. But yeah, so far though I like them. Even my sister, she was here earlier, she said it's very soft. I will link everything. Like, there's a bunch of the products I use in this video, you know, as always I always link everything because if anybody's interested, because I like when I'm looking for something that it's linked. So everything I've used so far, I will link it. Oh, also my tripod. I don't know why, you guys, I bought this tripod a little bit, I want to say maybe 3 months ago about. Why wasn't I not using it? I just saved myself so much time. You guys don't understand. When you see this video, then you'll understand. Like, I feel like this is the best thing I did was start using my iPhone tripod for YouTube specifically. Now, I know people may have tried to use it for Instagram, but for me, I think because you can only put your phone this way, for YouTube videos, chef's kiss. Like, I don't even have to hold my phone. I don't need to tilt it. I literally just put the stand, and it extends really high too, which I like. So for videos, so I can't wait. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I have 2 hair care lines that I have to review, natural hair lines. So I'm excited for that now because I feel like now I don't have to like put my phone on my sink and balance it. This saved my life. I don't know why I have not been using it. It's so fun. Now I'm gonna watch some TV because I'm probably gonna be up till 12 something because I decided to do my laundry at night. Hey guys, Sunday. I'm conflicted if I should wear a hat. By the way, this shirt is, I got it from Burlington. Yeah, and I'm just wearing biker shorts and then I'm gonna put on my sneakers. But yeah, let's see. I'm looking for some socks actually because I forgot. Oh, from Burlington. I think the same time I got like a whole pack of socks from Academics. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, I'm already hot, so I'm considering if I should put my hair back. The thing is, my edges are looking crazy. My hair is starting to, you know, look crazy, but that's because when I was on vacation, I was like in a lot of water, so that frizzed up my hair. Or I'm thinking of wearing my new hat, but I don't know if it's gonna fit over my braids. I got this package, I want to say like Friday, but I never opened it. I knew what it was, I just didn't. Yeah, the hat is I'm just out here trusting God. I saw the cap, and it's by Reborn Kings. I saw the cap on Instagram a lot of times, and I was like, oh, it's one size fits all actually. So let me just see how it will look. I always feel like caps on braids look weird. It doesn't look bad. I think I'm gonna wear it because my edges are still a little fuzzy, even if I put it back. And sometimes I don't like to put my hair back because, yeah. But I'm still wearing, so I don't even want to wear the cap right now. And as you guys can see, it has the King's logo. I don't know if you see that. So yeah. They said they have the. What hair are you looking for? Alright, so I'm trying to talk loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So just came back home. I was supposed to go to an event and I decided to forget that because just a lot of organizing. We've been organizing stuff. So now I'm actually using the organizers that I bought for my bathroom. We went to Home Goods, and the things that I got from Home Goods, I got this for my what do you call this? For my tissues. Yeah, it was $7.90. No, actually, it was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. I thought it was cute. They had multiple ones, but I just got this one. It's small. It's not too big. They had bigger ones or taller ones. I got this. I'm not gonna open it just yet. But this is one of those, you know, for your shower, the shower heads. But this one comes with the, I don't know if you guys can see it, the cord. So you can like, maybe I don't know if I'll reach it though. I'm so short. So that, but I think you could, from my knowledge, I think you're supposed to tie it anyway to the, around your thing. I'm not gonna open it just yet because I need somebody to assist me, and I don't want to open this yet until, you know, I figure out how to take the one that I currently have. So I'm leaving that in, but yeah, I got this. This is $19.99. And then I have this diffuser oil thing with the sticks. This time, this is I'm gonna organize, and this was $7.99 as well. This I'm going to organize my what do you call this? All my cleaning supplies is on the floor because it's bothering me how they're always on the floor. I feel like if I need to clean my mop my floor, I can easily just lift this up and it's out of the way. So I got this. This was also $7.99. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this all the tags and stuff off, and then I'll show you guys a little like time lapse. Also, since I'm just showing you guys everything, let me quickly just show you guys everything. I just got my Shea Moisture package. So Influencer, they were giving, what do you call it? Influencer. If you don't know what Influencer is, I have a whole video, but I got a lot of free boxes. This is what, I don't even know, like I have like 6 boxes now to review with a few boxes to review. This is hair products. I won't be reviewing it until I take out my hair, which is in, as right now, will be next week, which is crazy. It's already the 20-something next week. So yeah, I'll be taking out my braids next week, so I'll probably review this first. I also have another package that's coming up anyway. I only got my other Tim package that they were saying that was coming like the 19th, and I'm like, the 19th, today's the 13th. My other package came quickly, but when I came home, the package was here. So I also try to tackle doing a Temu review, then my Temu haul, and then see how much I can edit. I don't know if I'm gonna drop this video first, but I'm enough to the chatter. I'm gonna go organize this.